them. Today we bring back a sleeping legend, a 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino in its original Bianco ivory white. I just bought this 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino in original Bianco Avorio ivory white. Well, look what we have here. A Topolino. Incredible. Wow. This is it. Look at this. Here you are, all accounted for.
Thank you so much. It means the world.
Wow, look at the paint, just glowing in this sun. Incredible, isn't it?
Okay, keep it steady now, just a little more. Slow it down. Front wheels down. Got it. Okay, secure it.
Keep it slow and steady off the ramps. There we go. Welcome to the workshop. This one's ready for a fresh start. All right, perfect. Let's take her up. There we go. The old girl is ready for her close-up. All right, first look at the undercarriage. Lots of surface rust here. And there's the original overspray inside the wheel well. She's going to need a lot of work. All right. There she is. Decades of grit. All right, that's it. Look at that preservation. Perfect. All right, careful with this one, it's a bit stiff. Got it, easy now. Perfect. Take it to the rack.
All right, here we go. This one's a tough one. Got it.
With all four wheels removed, the Topolino is secured on jack stands, ready for the next phase of restoration.
The seats are out, looking good for their age. Okay, ready? On three. 1, 2, 3.
Got it?
Nice. Slowly now.
Clear.
Clear. It is. This is the original inline-4 engine from the Fiat Topolino. You can still see some of the Bianco Avorio paint.
All right, slow and steady now. Got the jack placed just right. Now let's break this last bolt loose. Careful, it's heavy. Easy does it.
All right, disassembly complete. Phase 1, done. All right, time to tackle this headliner.
Yeah.
Sticky old thing. Looks worse than I thought.
Yeah.
Finally, that's a mess up there. You see that pitting there? Right in the center. Yeah, that's deeper than I thought. All right, these bolts are stubborn.
Yeah.
Got it. Slowly lowering it down now.
Yeah.
You can really see the residue in there. That's one step closer to restoration. every panel exposed. This is the bare ivory shell of the 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino in its original bianco avorio.
All right, let's see what we have here. And there it is, perfect. The original finish.
Decades of neglect, but you can feel it coming clean. Perfect. Next up, the interior.
The final rinse, the Topolino's back in its original ivory, just faded. Perfect. All right, let's get this Topolino dry and looking beautiful. Time to get this grease off. And now for the final rinse.
All right, first we'll apply some foaming cleaner to break down the grime on the inner panel here. See how it grabs that dirt? Now a soft,
Keep the pressure even. Now just a light touch for that final mirror finish. There, perfect. The deep cleaning looks good, but let's check this section again.
The transmission, once covered in decades of grease, is now ready for the next phase. Just a final rinse.
The restoration process begins with careful preparation. As you can see, these original wheels are now deep cleaned and ready for the next stage. Every piece of glass on this 1937 Topolino has been polished to perfection. This level of clarity takes time and dedication.
All right, that's one side ready for sanding. Coming along quite nicely. All right, final wipe down. Good job. Welcome to SK Restoration, where the heart of every project lies in the details. These are the carefully cleaned parts from
The heart of the Topolino, ready for some restoration work. These have seen some miles.
The heart of the 1937 Fiat 500, placed securely on the jig. We're looking for micron tolerances here.
All right, new rings are installed. Just needed that final check for clearance and movement.
All right, time for the finishing touch on the Topolino block. Fine, even coat, factory spec satin black.
All right, new gear is in. Now to check the clearances and seat the bearing. Perfection is key here. All right, new brake shoes, freshly painted Bianco Avorio. Installing these on the backing plate. Tensioning the return springs. There, rebuilt and ready. All right, let's get rid of this rust. Coming along nicely.
The old ivory paint is coming right off. We're down to bare metal now, prepping for the primer. The shell of the 37 Topolino is now completely stripped to bare steel. Only inside these protected cavities you want long, steady strokes to level the filler on this 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino. Keep the block flat to avoid creating high spots.
All right, the masking's done. This beautiful Topolino is ready for primer. Next step is crucial, but we've got it covered. The primer coat is laid down perfect, ready for the next stage of paint.
The Bianco Avorio paint is ready for the Topolino. The small bonnet of the 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino, now fully coated in fresh Bianco Avorio, brilliant under the lights.
The Bianco Avorio is absolutely perfect. The restoration is complete. The shine is flawless. The Bianco Avorio is curing perfectly, ready for assembly. Looks flawless. All right, first pass with the foam pad, working the compound in nicely. Just breaking that haze, getting the depth back. You can see the reflection already starting to pop through. All right, this area is looking much better. Almost ready for the next stage.
Time for primer. We need a solid base before the Bianco Avorio goes on. All right, perfect coverage. Now for the final color. The readings indicate a weight needed here. Just a few taps should balance it out. Perfect, balanced now, ready to install.
The bumpers, grille, and trim replated to perfection, just like the originals. A testament to SK Restoration's quality. All right, gently now. Just a little more. There, locked in tight. Perfect.
The suspension is back in, the springs are tight. This Topolino is ready for the road again. The fabric-wrapped harness runs perfectly, exactly as it should be from the factory. All right, lowering her into place. Perfect fit. Now just to secure these lines.
All right, finally got these bolted on. Looks perfect. The texture of the wool is perfect.
Yeah.
It lays beautifully over the ivory white. Just a final smoothing. All right, that's it. Good as new. The stitching is flawless. The new brown leatherette is perfect. It really brings the Bianco Avorio exterior back to life. Excellent. The bolt is tight and the upholstery is perfect. Just the right fit. All right, perfect fit. It's always a pleasure to see these old parts come back to life. Perfect. See how tight that fit is? That's craftsmanship. Another one done. Looking good, Skip. The freshly painted doors are back on. Perfect alignment. Now for the final checks. Excellent. Perfect seal. Looks fantastic. All right, time for the rear glass. Easy does it. And there we have it, perfect fit. That's one down. The front's secure. Good, let's get the back on. Fits like a glove. The chrome is perfect. And the grille is back on. Looks perfect. Perfectly aligned.
Right, great.
Nice and secure. Perfect. She's going to look beautiful. And that is the perfect landing. A job well done. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Come on, baby! Yes, she lives. Perfect, fantastic. After months of hard work, we're proud to finally unveil the restored 37 Topolino in its original ivory white. After years of meticulous work, here she is, the 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino, back in her original Bianco Avorio white. The heart of Tuscany, the perfect backdrop for our final reveal of this restored Topolino. Purrs like a kitten, doesn't it? Perfect. Perfect. All right, let's see how you do. Smooth as butter, that's what I like to see. Perfect. Perfect. She's ready.
This is it, the 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino, finally home in Tuscany. Perfect.
From a forgotten barn to Italy's tiny legend reborn Mege, this 1937 Fiat 500 Topolino. If this restoration moved you, like, subscribe, and tell me which forgotten classic I should rescue next.